I am the Cataclysm! I will bury you.
You're toying with death!
I am Deathwing.
Have soak.
Stack high. Stack high. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lightning face.
These are general spots here. Lion Vamp Blood. Get to your spots.
Personal.
Personals now. Good job. Lust. Remember, lightning, do not run in when the walls come out. Till the walls are out. Help soak.
Stack high. Ice tomb beacons.
Ice tombs to purple. Ice tombs to purple. Ice tombs to purple. Get ready to AoE these down. Healers adjust if you can't heal lion. Break these out. Break these out. Good job. Nice. Remember, you wait for walls to get out range before you run into the middle. Melee are at green. Ranger starting at red. Or starting. Gonna kill red. Help soak. Help soak. Help soak. Help soak. Help soak. Ice phase in 6 seconds.
Stack high. 3, 2, 1. Ice phase.
Remember, melee call out when you need to get dispelled, please. Range, you're not moving for dispels. You're staying stacked. Wait for walls, wait for walls. Watch shit on the ground. Range in. Defenses here, Rob AM. Light him as soon as you're in the middle. Range, you're not moving. Melee call. KAM. Vamp Bloodlion. Taro AM. Light Bubble. Good job. Damage on
Double
ball.
damage here.
Remember, we are going to be getting tombs here. Tombs are to purple. Help soak here. Help soak. Help your friends soak. Help your friends soak. Help your friends soak. I'm drinking.
Ice tomb beacons.
Ice tombs to purple. Ice tombs to purple. Ice tombs to purple. Just get to purple. Everybody with ice tomb get to purple. Break them out. Big damage on ice tombs. Get to your spots. You should be in your spots here. Just in case we get this. Help soak.
Stack high.
Help soak. Step in and out. Good.
Stack high.
Get to your spots. We're gonna get this ad.
4, 3, 2.
We do this right, boss dies.
Lightning face.
Get to your spots. Make sure you're in your right spots here. I will trank this as well. Lion, do your thing. Thank you. I'm tranking. Get to your spots. Do not fuck it up.
Use personal.
Personals now. Good job, kill boss. Just help soak. You might get ice cubes here. Just fucking get them to purple and kill boss. Help soak. Help your friend soak.
Ice Tomb Beacons.
Good job.